remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Okay, for withdrawal, okay, just click here, account activity. Now click here, withdraw. Okay, here you can also withdraw into perfect money. Okay, but see your account settings and here general settings. Okay, everything is here clear. Now click here, payment. Here you must set, okay, payment personal data. If you want to withdraw to perfect money, then enter your perfect money account. Okay, and okay, save it. Click here to save it. Okay, if you want to withdraw your profits into Bitcoin wallet, you can also take. Either you want to withdraw USDT, Litecoin, Ethereum. Okay, there are 5 payment methods of Beurax. I want to withdraw my profits into perfect money. Okay, I already set it. Now just click here, account activity. Click here to withdraw. Okay, as you see here is withdraw details. Okay, withdraw details is what? Here perfect money withdraw, minimum withdraw is $1. Okay, as you see here, perfect money withdrawal is $1 and USDT 15, Ethereum $10, Litecoin 5 and BTC 0.001. Okay, now my profits in USD. Okay, so I want to using payment method is what? Perfect money and minimum withdrawal is $1. Just select here perfect money and enter your amount 1.12. Now click here to withdraw. withdrawal successful. As you see here, is withdrawal is successful. Okay, now my balance is 0. Okay, now click here to see withdrawal history. Click here. As you see here, my withdrawal history is what? 1.12 USD perfect money. Okay, it's pending. Okay, after some time it will be completed. You can also tell admin about your withdrawal. Okay, like please complete my pending withdrawal. Okay, and your user ID. Okay, you must also write your user ID. Okay, just paste it here, and username, type your username, then click send. Okay, as admin will check it. Okay, and click here, and you see here withdrawals okay will complete from 1 to 3 banking days. Okay, it will complete approximately 3 days or business days, working days. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, today I'll show you how to withdraw from Beurax company. Okay, withdrawal time from 1 to 3 banking days. Okay, but when I applied, it completed 8 banking hours. Okay, here is, as you see, this is my withdrawal proof. Okay, 1.12 USD I applied. Okay, it will complete it successfully. As you will see here, transaction batch ID and Beurax.com company. This is a withdrawal proof 1.12. Okay, now this is my dashboard, account dashboard. As you will see here, my account balance is 0. Click here and click here to withdraw. Okay, now you will see here withdrawal time is what? From 1 to 3 banking days. Okay, when I applied withdraw, I will also leave a message online supporter, as you see here. Okay, online supporter told me it takes from 1 to 3 banking days. Okay, but it completed 8 hours. Okay, now I will show you withdrawal history. Click here, financial operation. Click here to withdrawal history. Okay, this is my withdrawal proof. Total withdrawal 1.12 USD. Okay, it completed successful. I am also show you on my Perfect Money account. I have already logged in my Perfect Money account, as you will see here. History. After clicking history, you will see here, this is my Perfect Money, and here is shows Beurax.com withdrawal proof, transaction ID, everything you will see. As you will see here, it's also showing here. Okay, in this way you can withdraw from Beurax.com, Beurax Company. Okay, same presentation shows, okay, withdrawal proofs. Now my account balance is 0. You can join using my below referral link. Click here to register your account now and join my team to start earning. Okay, this is my referral link. This referral link you will find into the description of this video lecture. Okay, just click here and create your account. Okay, it allows create multiple accounts using same IP address. Okay, you can create multiple accounts using your referral link and using same IP address. Okay, as you will see here, you can create multiple accounts using your own referral link and same IP address. Okay, same computer, same laptop, or same mobile, Android mobile. Okay, this company will allow using multiple accounts using same IP address, but you will receive own referral link after minimum investment. Okay, you have registered and create your free account, but you will not receive this referral link. This referral, your own referral link, your own account referral link, you will receive your own account referral link after minimum investment. Minimum investment is what? $20. Okay, you can join and contact with me into my WhatsApp groups. If you have any questions or queries about Beurax company or online investments, okay, contact me onto my WhatsApp number or Telegram ID. Okay, these contact details you will find into the description of this video. Okay, these are my WhatsApp groups. You can join and learn how to invest online. Telegram ID, Telegram channel link, and Skype ID. Okay, I most welcome and congratulate new members. Thanks.